Where your career takes you depends on where you've been. For 30 years, Le Cordon Bleu Adelaide has been inspiring hospitality dreams and today delivers world-class culinary arts programs, hotel and restaurant management degrees, and gourmet short courses. Our graduates enjoy careers in the world's finest hotels and hospitality establishments, with many becoming successful entrepreneurs and business owners in their own right. And they started right here. In partnership with internationally renowned TAFE SA Regency International Centre for Tourism, Hospitality and Food Studies at Regency Park, we deliver our world-class culinary arts certificates and diplomas through to our Bachelor of Business degrees. We offer accommodation assistance, from homestay and private rental to on-campus student housing at Regency House. Our Master of International Hospitality Management degree is taught in partnership with the University of South Australia, located in the heart of the city in a vibrant, modern campus. Le Cordon Bleu has a reputation for excellence built on delivering industry-relevant programs with the perfect mix of practical and theoretical training. It's your turn to discover for yourself the rewards of a Le Cordon Bleu education and continue the tradition of excellence.